Hey guys, it's me, Doreen, and today I thought of playing with my slimes, but then I was wondering, what are different about these? But then I was like, maybe I should show it to people. So I thought, let's make a video of what the differences are of my slimes. So let me show you all of my slimes first. So first I have this pink one with beads in it. It's like pinkish purple with rainbow beads in it. And then I have this like dark blue one with white beads, rainbow beads, and plastic beads. And I have this pink one. It has glitter. Well, it's actually not pink. Like the color isn't pink. There's a lot of pink glitter in it. And some stars. And I have this gigantic one. It's called Elsa's Ice. Yeah, all of these have names. I'm going to tell you after. I made this one yesterday. And it's a clear slime. It's blue with blue spark, blue glitter, blue like sequence, like little blue sequin stars, and silver glitter. So I'm gonna tell you their names now. This one's, Elsa's Ice. This one is Nerd's Rope. This one is Berry Smoothie. And this one is Fairy World. So let's get started. So, first we're gonna be playing with them, and then at the end, I'm gonna be saying the differences and stuff, because if I don't play with them all first, I won't know the differences. So first I'm going to be playing with Nerd's Rope. So let's put all of these to the side. So Nerd's Rope is a pink slime with rainbow beads. And it has some heart, like pink heart sequins. It glitters. And it is not clear, but that's okay. Two of these slimes are not clear, and the others are clear. Oh. Actually, I feel like both of the ones with beads inside them are kind of hard, but we'll see. So that was it for Nerd's Rope. And now I'm gonna get Berry Smoothie. Oh, some beads are falling out. It's kind of hard also. I also actually kind of almost made all of these, so this one I didn't make. Like Fairy World, I didn't make it. I made it in my last video, and I actually accidentally put a lot of pink glitter in it and turned pink. Then I put a bunch of big stars, and that made it. I'm not telling you. So it is crunchy, but it is kind of hard. It has like spokes. Let's see. Crunch, crunch. Oh, I don't know if I already told you guys it's crunchy, but so that's it for Berry Smoothie. But before I go on to Fairy World, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of video you want me to next. So let's get on to Fairy World. Fairy World is a store-bought slime. If you don't know what store-bought means like you buy it from a store. So the stars really do poke me, and the glitter does make it have a texture a little, like a really oh, that poked me, sandy texture. Another word for that is grainy, but if you guys don't know what grainy means, I said sandy. So it's really glittery, and it's really pretty, but the stars do poke. This slime is bigger, but since it was a little sticky, I didn't want to show the whole slime. So yeah. Now let's go on to Elsa's Ice. So guys, this is actually 10 ounces. Like, this is a mistake that we made. So, yesterday when I was buying the glue for this, I wanted to get 4 bottles. And then, before we went to the store, I wanted to get 4 bottles. Then once we went to the store, I got 3 bottles. But then I didn't. But then my mom said no. So I got 2 bottles. Then usually when I get those bottles, they're 4 ounces. They're both 4 ounces, so we make an 8-ounce slime. And then while we were making the slime, like in the middle after we poured the glue, I looked at how much ounces the slime has, and it was 5 ounces each bottle. And I'm like, oh my god, to my sister. And then I'm like, these bottles are 5 ounces. And she's like, oh my god. And we ended up making a 10-ounce slime. And the ingredients we used to make this is clear glue, Tide as an activator, blue like that's why it's colored blue, but blue like sequin sparkles, whatever, like dark blue glitter, and a little, like a pinch of like silver glitter. So it's not really a pinch, a little more than a pinch, but this slime is really nice. It was sticky before, but I activated it, and it's really crunchy. Wow, that bubble was big. So now we're gonna be saying all the differences. So this one, berry smoothie. It is really nice, but the thing about it is basically like it's different from Nerd's Rope, because like this has a lot more beads inside it, more beads than slime, and this one has more slime than beads, so it's a little more stretchy and it's like more playable, I guess. This one's more moldable, you know, and this one's a little more stiff. So since there's like small white beads and big rainbow beads, the big rainbow beads are kind of falling out, and the plastic beads, well, they're basically called melty beads. They actually came with this fairy world, but I put them into this slime, and I just like the Nerd's Rope better, because the Nerd's Rope is like thick, but at the same time, it's really like, it's normal. Well, I don't know how to really say it, but even though it's tiny, it was way bigger before. It just shrinks, and even though berry smoothie is bigger, it doesn't mean it's better. Because like the differences are basically I already told you, but the reason I like Nerd's Rope better than berry smoothie is because this is kind of more like it stays in one like shape more. So like when you squish it, it goes back into its shape like a squishy. But this one, when you squish it, that doesn't happen. And this one, when you stretch it, nothing falls out. This one, when you stretch it, sometimes things fall out. So now I'm gonna be saying the differences of Fairy World and Elsa's Ice. So already one difference: Elsa's Ice is big, and Fairy World is tiny. But it is actually bigger. I think it's like a 4 ounce. I think like 5. I don't know, like just like, yeah, it's like 4 ounces. So this is way more thick, and you could play with it. The pokes are better. It's more crunchy. It's prettier, and this one, it's pretty also, but it's like the reason that the stars poke you, it kind of just like makes it a sad face. And that was it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. And if you remember what to comment, then comment it down below. But but you have to comment down what video you want me to comment what kind of video you want me to do next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.